Yun, papunta na kami sa kabilang event, no? Kasama ko si Darwin, All About Cars. Papunta kami dun sa Auto Complex.
Traffic!
Yes!
Naka-2 hits ka, auto hits.
Sayang din, content din eh. Traffic pa, traffic.
Let's go! 1,000 subscribers!
Let's go! 1,000 subscribers para sa amin. Si Joms kailangan ng 1 million. Mas malaki yung ano niya, requirements niya. Yun, kikitain namin si Joms doon. Oh, let's go. We are now arriving at the Auto Complex. Yan o. Iyon, nandito na kami sa loob. Yan.
Tabi tayo sa mga supercars.
Tabi tayo sa Lambo. Yan. Yan. Yung mga levels natin.
Mga levels natin. Park natin yung Lambo.
Iyon, no? At andito na naman po tayo. Usual suspects,
Sama-sama na
no?
naman po kami.
Kami na naman. At
Di pa ako nagkakano. Di pa ako nag...
Oh, dito ka na mag-intro para isa na lang.
I'm with Become Legendary. Follow his YouTube account and Facebook. And his merch. Nandito kami sa Hatties
Hatties.
Club Philippines.
Yes.
Tama ba?
Tama.
Sa group. And sobrang shoutout sa Hatties Club na na-invite kami for this event.
Oo,
Yan
exclusive
kami.
lang
Tsaka
to.
si All About Cars. Ayun.
Nandun.
Yan. Good. So
Secret.
abangan nyo. Ayan yung buong video. Yan.
Secret meet yata to pero
Secret meet
ang
pa
alam
to.
ko exclusive lang. Hindi ko alam kung bakit tayo nandito, no?
Dito. Pero sobrang thank you.
Yes.
Ayan, no?
Yun, no?
Sobrang thank you.
Mga idol natin. 1 million subscriber.
Kami 1,000 lang hinihingi namin. Ito 1 million.
Subscriber.
Subscribe na kayo dito kasi 1 million ang quota niya ngayon.
Guys, kaming tatlo lagi nyo na kami makikita kasi itong All About Cars, tsaka Become Legendary, tsaka Joms TV, ito magkakasama na kami lagi sa mga event.
May i-announce si All About Cars kasi
Kaya na-announce ba?
All About Car Meets, abangan niyo yan. Nakausap niya na yung organizer, yan, ayusin na lang niya.
Papasakatin natin yung ulo natin.
Talaga. O yun pala, baka nyo, hindi ko
Gusto
alam
mo
yun.
kasi ng stress.
Oh, yan. Para maiba naman
Gusto ko naman
2026.
problema. Bago eh, no? Gusto ko ma-stress, gusto ko problema, kaya papakarmi tayo.
Yan, All About Car Meets, ha? Abangan niyo yan.
Abangan nyo yan, ha?
Lahat ng mga brands na gustong sumama, Paki-PM lang si All About
Si
Cars.
All About Cars. All About Cars Facebook page, saka
Yes.
YouTube.
Alright,
Alright.
let's go!
Let's go.
1 million, 1,000 lang, okay na kami. Ito, 1 million.
Lahat kami 1 million.
500 daw, okay na.
Lahat kami 1 million.
MHICNO. Ayun, Vicente.
Ano guys, oh. May merch pala to si Joms. Pero yan, Joms TV.
TV lang.
Jones
Ayan,
TV.
With the shirt, yan. Never get tired. Available na ba, brother?
Oh, available na.
Yung PM nyo lang sa Joms TV. For 1 million views and subscribers. Meron kayong...
Pag manifest na natin yan.
Oo. Ayun na. So, nandito pa rin tayo sa event ng Hatis, no? Yan, no? Observe
Classes
lang.
is on session.
Yes.
Classes ongoing. Ayun.
Busy kami dito mag-shoot. Ayun.
Yes, tandaan niyo itong mga mukha na to.
Yun, thank you nga pala kay Caffeine and Chrome para sa napaka-rare na sticker. Ang tawag niya rito is 3HP. Tama ba?
Ito, ayos yun.
3HP tawag niya?
Oh, 3H.
3H. Maraming salamat, no, Vince? Ayan. Para sa mga gustong maka-avail nitong 3H sticker, no? Ayan. Caffeine and Chrome.
Salarin.
Sony.
Sony with.
Sony baka naman.
Thank you. Aga, thanks.
Alright, Jones TV Media. I'm with Miss Natsumi, of course. About PH. And of course, Become Legendary and All About Cars. First of all, we would like to say thank you
Yes.
for
Thank you
having
for
us.
coming in. I hope you had so much fun.
We had a great time. Thank you for the food. And thank you for having us for this very exclusive.
Yeah.
Alright, ma'am. Ano nangyari? What's this meet all about?
Today is all about sisterhood. So we planned this exclusive bar meet for hobbies and of course for our aspiring members. And it's a collaboration with Hobbies and the Auto Company. And we planned this last year, but I'm so happy that we're doing it today.
Congratulations. Any plans for the next month?
For our plans for the next month, we have a lot ahead. We have a lot of sponsors, activities, and I think this year would be one of the best years of fun.
Something to look forward to.
Yeah.
Just check out page. Thank you very much for this.
Instagram, thehotties.ph.
Thank you very much. Have a great evening. Happy weekend. Guys, Johnson Media with All About Cars and Become Legendary.
Yeah.
And with the lovely
Natsu.
Thank you very much. Jobs TV Media with Become Legendary and All About Cars and with all media with Miss Hatch.
Hello, everyone.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Maling pa rin.
Ma'am, congratulations for
Oh, yes. Of course, Miss Congenial.
Correct.
The night. Thank you sa hatis, no? Hindi ko na-expect. Nagulat niya ako. Nagpapaypay pa ako.
sobrang friendly talaga naman. Kahit sa B2B nakita for coming
Coming events, actually, wala pa nasasabi. No? But kasi, if ever na may plans naman, sabi naman sila sa amin. Pero sobrang active. I think once or twice a month, nagkakaroon ng event.
which is abangan nila
Sa page ng Hatis, of course, di ba?
saan na pwede ma-follow?
Nahiya ako. Sa Chichin the Please IG, Cookies and Cookies.
Alright, Jobs TV Media with all the members of the media. Ang dami nyo! Kasi ang dami nyo!
You know.
Miss Hachi, thank you very much. Congratulations for this event here at Auto Complex. Alright, Jobs TV Media and with Miss Mabel and Miss Azzy together with All About Cars and of course Become Legendary here at Auto Complex exclusive meet of Hamis. This solid. Ma'am, first of all, we would like to thank you for having us, all the medias, for inviting us to this event. Yun ma'am, ano pala ang nangyari ulit dito sa event? This is an event of
Yes, an event of Hamis exclusive for members, aspirants, and of course our partner medias. So, ginawa namin itong event na to para maging mas close yung isa't isa. And also, most of our aspirants and members are also business owners, beauty queens, and entrepreneurs. So we want everyone to have like a space for them and a safe space for them.
great.
So I am an admin.
So, I'm also an admin of that. So, lately kasi we pursue the Hatis as like safe space for each and everyone. So, we don't want anyone na makawalan ng priority. That's why we are one of the 6 admins of Hatis. No president, no vice president. For equality purposes, walang masusunod na mas mataas. Same voice, same para position is equal and para sa lahat, sa mga board. So, yun. So, that's why you will meet us na saying na admin na lang. Wala, puro admin na lang yung sa Hatis.
So where can they follow you?
you can follow us on Facebook, Hatis Car Club Philippines, Instagram, the Hatis.ph, and TikTok also. The Hatis PH on TikTok.
Thank you very much, Miss Mabel and Miss Azzy. Thank you very much.
so much.
Wait, Become Legendary and All About Cars here. All Complex.
Tan, tanan, tan, tanan. Haba. Sige po. Good, clear, clear. Uy, oh, drag racing.
Guys, teka lang. May karera ako.
Guys, gusto nyo malaman ang story nito? Check out John Studio.
Haba ng hair. Ang haba ng hair niya. Yun, oh.
Ay, saan kayo? Saan lipat? Saan lipat?
Hindi na yun.
Okay. Okay, ingat, ingat.
Paparazzi, oh.
Tinaw yung mags yan, oh.
Yun, oh.
Ay,
Sayad,
thank you.
Sayad kung sayad.
Static.
Ingat, ingat, ingat,
Ingat,
ingat.
ingat, ingat.
Ingat po.
Clear, clear. Singilin niyo yan si si Lance. Singilin niyo yan, si Lance, singilin niyo yan.
Lance, ingat. Sounds good here. In the Philippines. Hi, ma'am. Thank you. Ingat ka, mama.
Ingat nga.
Ma'am.
Arigato.
Ingat ma'am, ingat po kayo.
Ingat po. Ay, hindi pa pala bukas. Kala ko bukas lang, bukas Sunday.
Ingat po.
Ingat.
and subscribe na rin kayo sa channel ko. And lahat ng mga links ng mga kilala natin down below lang, paki-check na. So, kita-kits na lang sa next video.